Hello, this is Ben of Boatshed Suffolk, just here on a 1991 Shetland Saker. Just going to do a short walk around video for you. As you can see, typical Shetland, wonderful little Broads boats. This one even has a 50 horsepower Johnson 4-stroke on the back. Canopy is all in pretty good condition. I've not seen any obvious tears or anything yet. Although they are very basic little boats, they are really good with pretty much everything you could need. So go through all on one level, just a slight little dip down. Basic sink. There would be space there for a little gas stove, and of course this does convert into a double. The table can also go in there. Standard VHS, and of course a separate heads with a basic porta potty. This little bit does also drop down when I put things down properly, so that can really give an open feel, a bit more galley space as well. The benefit of this is that she does also have her British safety certificate, all done up until 2025. As you can see, basic Lawrence chart plotter. And what I can do as well, I will do a quick little engine start. Of course, starts first time, even though it's about 9 degrees outside. But impressively quiet engine. If you do have any more questions or you would like to arrange a viewing, then all of my contact details are on the boatshedsuffolk.com website. Feel free to drop me a line or give me a call. Cheers.